In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a Vercel project step by step. Open the Vercel dashboard and click on the project you want to transfer. The project dashboard opens, showing your deployments and overview. Click Settings in the sidebar. The project settings page loads. Click General in the left sidebar, then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see the Transfer Projects section. Click the Transfer button. The Transfer Flow dialog appears. You'll see a list of teams you can transfer to. Select the Vercel team you want to transfer the project to. You can also create a new team from here if needed. The selected team is highlighted. On the next screen, you'll see a review of everything that will be transferred. This includes any domains, aliases, and environment variables. If you want to rename the project, enter a new name in the project name field. You must provide a new name if the target team already has a project with the same name, otherwise the existing name is reused. Click the Transfer button to confirm. Vercel redirects you to the newly created project on the target team. You'll see in-progress indicators while the transfer processes. Wait while the transfer completes. Depending on the amount of data associated with your project, this can take anywhere from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. When the transfer completes, you and the target team's owners are notified by email. A few important details. Environment variables are copied to the target team, except for those defined in the env and build. Env configurations of vercel.json. Integrations associated with your project must be added again after the transfer is complete. While the transfer is in progress, you won't be able to create new deployments, edit project settings, or delete the project. The transfer happens with zero downtime, so your site stays live throughout the process. That's how you transfer a Vercel project.